but with my university, they give us this virtual machine. So I just use that. Because then I can just save it and then bring it to the other computers that I have without requiring to reset up everything.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, WWN Gadjover Melho. You a Gario hack? Yeah, it's a yeah. I'm cheating. I've used Linux for about 4 years non-stop. I used to be anti-Microsoft. Then one day I started to relax a bit, but I'm still very much in that mindset. Okay.
I
Whoa.
am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Monsterix. Okay, I need to register myself. Give me a sec here. I need to hide that. Whoa. My door was open and the wind just... Okay, there you go. Now I'm registered. I should have done that before the stream, but whatever. I swear I usually write install. Huh, I need to relearn how to use Sublime. Like one of the reason I stopped using Linux was because the previous version of the Linux, like something in it, would make my computer overheat, or the battery would last barely 1 hour, and on Windows it would last 7 hours. So probably I needed to set up something, but I didn't want to, I think. I mean, I still lived with it for about 2 years on that laptop. Nice. Is it just me, or is my install not? I don't want to install it manually. I'm surprised. Okay, I'm at least gonna start. Okay, before I do that, let's just explain what I'm doing. So I'm now on a new project. So I'm still gonna be maintaining the Agar project, but this is my new thing, which is pretty much the level up after Agar, I guess. So with my university, we have a group called a student group. Hello, Loop Slackware. And what we're working on is something called Robocup. It's essentially, there's two teams that play soccer. And actually, I should show a video for that. So there's one orange ball in the middle. Usually the ball is much more orange, but it's fine. And this is a simulator. Okay, so with this, I can connect using the network with some ports and IPs, and then send some data to control the bots. And then this thing is gonna send me some information about how the state of the game changed. So this is an emulation. Usually you're gonna be doing this on live robots. One sec, I'll show you the videos. And so with the university, we will be building the bots. It's a bit slower because I'm in a virtual machine. Hello, Panda. Panda. Fuck that music. So I believe this video was made in India. Or in Germany. I can link the video. Hello, Agar Temp. Yeah, it's kind of hard to watch this in a virtual machine. I'm doing pretty good. I stopped streaming a bit last week because I was starting the university, and then I needed to like retake. Whoa, what is that? I needed to restart my life pretty much. There you go. Okay, this is yeah. Anyway, so the project is to write an AI that will play soccer with those bots against the other team. This is an inter-university project. So there's gonna be a competition, and every robot that we build usually averages $5,000 to $6,000. So they're not cheap. So are you the creator of the Agar? Yeah, I am. And this is all done with computer vision. So right above this screen, there's a camera, and using the dots, it's able to recognize which robot is which. And then this computer camera is then parsing the data and then sending all of that to me. Perfect. And receive. There you go. So this information, I don't know if you can see that really well, but this is what my the little code I wrote the other day sees. It's receiving all the bot data from the engine. Wherever that is. Okay, there you go. I also wrote a bit of code to send data. This is hard to work on a virtual machine, especially while streaming. Oh, actually. Okay, no need for that anymore. Okay. It's really hard to play with the camera on this simulator. So let's say I take control of the bot number 0. I can tell it to rotate itself. Perfect. So all this is written in Python. So as you can see, I'm making the little robot right here rotate. If I want, I can give it a bit of velocity, and then it's going to start moving. I'll go and take control of that yellow guy. View. Oh, it's so slow. Lock camera to this robot. Okay, there you go. So now we're gonna always be looking at that. Perfect. Is it just not working, or? So it does have gravity and everything. Okay. I'll put it back at the angle 90, 0, 0. Boom. Okay, now move. Would the not name? Yeah, I want to do that actually. I don't think I'll do it now, but someone else asked me to do that, and I said I would do it, but I never did. Why is it rotating actually? Oh, send velocity or wheels. Oops. Okay, restart. Is it just not working? Connect. Yellow, 0, this is it. Sending UDP diagram failed, maybe too large, size was... Not sure, I think my code crashed. Because that was working perfectly the other day. Whoops. Oh, I have 2 simulators, no wonder. Oh. Okay, I was running the same. Okay, let's just restart everything. Everything was in double. Let's close that for now. This is useless. Proto, that's useless. That's the code. Perfect. This is better than FIFA 16 probably. It's real life. I mean, not now, but it will be. Okay. And if you want to play this game, you need to pay $50,000. So I would not be doing this project if it wasn't with university. Okay, where's my... Okay, connect. Nice, okay. It's working. That guy just got beat up. So right now I made a little UI. Actually, I copied code from someone else. And that code allows me to manually send like positions to the bot. This is a bit fast. Whoa. Hey guys. Huh. It's behaving really weird right now. 0. 90. Oh! Oops. Yellow. Okay, good. I can work with that. Okay, so what I have right now is one program that allows me to send some controls to it, and this is all done by me manually. I have another program that you probably won't be able to see it really well, but it gets the data from the game. So it allows me to have separate applications, one to simulate all of that, and then another one to get the information. So what I will want to do is fuse the two, and then based on the data that I receive, I want to be able to send actions to the bot in order to control it to go where I want it to go. And then it's gonna start to feel a bit more like an AI. Perfect. Anyways, for those that didn't see the video, I closed it already. Everything that I open, I close it so fast. So make sure to watch that if you want to understand exactly what it is that I'm doing with this project. Okay. And I want to, right before I do anything, I want to get Sublime Text set up. Okay, I'll open my other Sublime and check what it is that I... Oh. I'm so lost in everything that I have. Okay. Prefer. How are you guys doing right now? Did you get a good week? Sublime Text. Package control, okay. That's what it's called. I don't have it, do I? Oh, I need to install it. Oh, I remember doing that. View show console. That's a long time ago already.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow. Name not found. Nice. And now I have everything I want. Nice. I knew I wasn't crazy. Why was the option not there? Thanks for the follow, Nikki's SS. Okay. Programmer. Okay, now it's time to get my preferences. Preferences, user. Nice. This is not the right font though. I need to I need to remember.
I am a robot.
Good idea. Okay, so how does the image parsing works? So in real life, I'm gonna show you the setup. So in real life, you have a camera right above. I think I can find a picture with that, surely. I want to show at least the setup. Oh, there it is. Okay. So normally there's a camera right here. This camera's data is sent right back into a computer. This computer has a software called SSL Vision, which I found right here. So SSL Vision, this is an open source, like the whole project is supposed to be open source. The whole Robocup project, which is done by universities. So universities, they compete in the big tournament. All their code needs to be open sourced. This is, I think, a requirement. So yeah, it is an API. So this API is open source, you use that, and it's 3 months ago. So I mean, it's kind of good, I guess. And then it parses the data from the pictures. How it does that? For me, it's mostly magic, but really there's dots around every robot. And then using the dots, you're able to find the angle that it is facing in, and you're able to find the location. Like, oh, did it hit the ball? Likewise, the ball that is right, you don't see it very well, but the ball is orange or yellow, I guess. So it's really very easy for the camera to spot it. So this is getting parsed, and it sends me back some information through the network. The protocol is called multicast. So it sends it back, and then I'm able to read it. If you want to see the code, receive. So I connect to this address right here on this port, and then I'm able to like parse the data that is incoming to give me like all the information, like the robot ID, everything. But I don't actually need to care for how it does it, because I need to understand. I only needed to understand what type of format the data is sent in. It so happens that they use something from Google, which is called protobuf. So I just needed to convert protobuf to Python, and then using protobuf, I can parse from my data to get an object. Using this object, then I can get all the information sent from the camera. Sorry, I'm already losing my voice. Okay. Okay. Now I need to find my font. Can you hack? Maybe. Font installation instructions. Really? So OTF font, okay. Latest release. Wow, this is asking me to restart the virtual machine. Oh, what? This must be a very minimal Ubuntu installation. I wish I did that before the stream, but it was already getting later than I wanted to start. That's why I started already. Okay. Does this give me the option to install? What's the default font installer in Linux? Usually on Ubuntu. Font manager. I guess I should just look it up. This is slow. Font viewer. Nice. It's amazing how many different things you need set up before you actually get to doing the project. Like, you think you can just go into the computer and sit, but there's so many unrelated things you need to get before, like even font viewer. Like, I need my font. Thank you. To YouTube stream. Where is that regular? Okay, install. I'll need to remember to change the whole system back to English. This is the French version of the Lazy Fox text. Voix ambiguë d'un cœur qui, au zéphyr, préfère les jattes de kiwi. That's kind of cute. I'm not sure why I'm installing every one of them, because I don't think I need them all at all. Nice. Now I have my font. So much better. Okay, good. Do I go ahead and get all of those? Restart it again. This is Ubuntu. Yeah, we're Robocup Club now. What is that music? Is that one of the new one? No, okay. Okay, good. I don't think I want to download all of that. And did I close it? Okay. So what? Oh, sorry about that. What am I gonna do now? First of all, I need to get rid of all that. This is also useless. Okay, no more need for that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Open up the file. See, open that up. Whoa, this looks better. Look at your face. What? Not too bad. Okay. Go. Let's create a new file. Client.py. Okay, so okay, so I got myself more music for my playlist. I think I added an extra 10 hours, and this is one of the new ones. This author is just so weird. Like, this composer, he makes the weirdest music ever. It's like so repetitive, but there's something weird about the songs, and I had to add it to my playlist. That's good. Kev AVI.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow and the 865B. So I'll just show you again the little UI I made. Did I close it? Okay, good. So as you can see, I need to make this bigger. Do I get a magnifier? Magnifier. Okay. Can I make it bigger now? I want that magnifier bigger. Whoa. How does that look? I kind of wish it was bigger. Do I not have the control over the magnifier in Windows? Okay, so as you can see, right now I selected the yellow team at index 0, and then I can send it some velocity movement meter per second, and I can also control the angle by radians. So I'm saying right now turn by 2 radians. I think I said that right. If I want to, I can also control each wheel separately. And I can also decide how fast should I kick the ball. Spin, what is that? There's a bunch of little things I don't know yet, but as you can see, I can control how fast it goes. So right now it goes by 1 meter per second. If I want to make it faster, I can put it on 10. And as you can see now, my body goes super fast. Let's put it back to 1. I can put it at 0.5. As you can see, this is super slow and 0.1. Now it's turning faster than it can move. I can put it to 2. Now it goes double the size. It's gonna run into the wall. I can go negative. Now it's going backwards. Obviously, in real life, it might not be exactly the same, because we're gonna be building the robots, and then if we want to add more stuff to it, we can. Okay, could you maybe make the window that your desktop is shown in larger? I could. How would I do that? Make it, yeah, make the cam smaller. That would be a good idea, actually. Update Cyan guide. Oh, I should. Arcanine mode. This means that people can try the same thing twice. Okay, so first of all, I want to take this code. Actually, I want to look on threading. I've already done some threading in Python, but I don't want to reuse the same code. Let's see if there's new stuff. I'm doing it like this so that people that start projects can see a bit how to do stuff when you don't know how to do it. Whoa. I've never seen this side before. It's kind of cool. Okay, so you start a thread. Play Agario. This is one of the reasons I don't like Ubuntu. Actually, just kidding. But there's like something with this thing that makes it so hard to drag the windows. Good enough. I don't really care about the other things. Yeah, I know what you meant. Okay, I'll make a new one. Okay, there you go. Can I copy? I can't. Bigger monitor. Okay. Is it the one? Display capture, okay. Is that too small? Or is that fine? Okay. I guess I can make the chat slightly bigger in that case. Oh, I think I glitched it. Oh, that was close. Okay, good. Okay, I guess just for the sake of making it less black. Oh, I didn't make. Okay, I'll just use that. It's not the perfect, but whatever. Okay, this is gonna be fine for now. I think I'll disable the little filter. It's better, it's a bit blurry, but I think it's fine, right? Okay, this is good. Okay. Yeah, I also got really pissed off when I would rewatch my stream. I swear this guy, that his music is just way too weird. Okay. You love your dog so much. This is a local variable, let's call it def. So I'm coding in Python right now. I already explained, but I don't care to re-explain it again. I'm doing something called Robocup. It's an AI for soccer. So essentially, you have on each team 6 robots, and then they are gonna be trying to make goals. So there's a camera right on top, which is looking at the field. So this part I don't need to handle. The vision of the computer is already done for me. Then if you look at the simulator, every robot has a... Oops. Oh, I glitched it. C. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, so every robot has a pattern, which is unique for this team. League 9, I'll go check that. It's not that one. Those are human robots. I'm gonna be working with garbage robots, let's say. Like the constraints are like, oops, this is a university project. So you're given this size. I can go find that actually. I mean, I can show you here. So this is like the diameter and the height. So the robot that we build, I'm not gonna be the one building it because we have people in mechanic, and they're studying exactly this stuff like that. So they're really good at designing robots. There's also another team which is in electric, like they're able to make the boards, the little chips that go inside the robots. So I'm gonna be not in charge, but I'm in the team that is doing the AI, and this is like the highest level. Right below there's the people that will be doing the almost the OS for the bot. They're gonna be coding the hardware. So we're gonna have a way to communicate with the hardware from our highest level of AI code. There is some people are doing the embarked system, I guess you can call that. And then other people are gonna be building the robots itself. There's actually 4 teams. I'm not sure if I'm explaining that well. This is our website. Yeah, it's a student project, so it doesn't give credits, but it's just fun. Whoops! I got wrecked by.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, the Kind Killer 007. Yeah, it's a really cool project though. It looks good on the CVs. It's not lagging too much, I guess. Kind of is, but it's in French, by the way. Whoa. I'm not sure if those numbers are right. We might be even more people doing this project. The project didn't actually start yet. We only had one meeting where they showed us this video and then showed us the current robots that they built. This is lagging so hard. I don't think YouTube likes my virtual machine. And then we also have some sponsors, so you can see these little companies. They're actually pretty big. Like if you probably know about Beanox. Those guys are huge. So those are sponsors that send us money for working on this, and also they help. Like for example, Beanox, they help with the AI because they are some game making company. So yeah, those are the partners or the sponsors. I'm tempted to just name it Receive. Oh, I don't have vintages. Oh, it's working. Nice. Sick. I think I will. What do you plan on doing to fix the C++ limitations error? I'm not actually sure what those errors are. I didn't see them. IO screen on yes. However, it will still leave the code limiting to its apex point of control. Are you working on the project too? Wait, I missed. Did you? Oh, wrong side. I hate that bar that shows up. That was pretty good. Import threading. So apparently threading is the easiest thing in the world. Thread 1 equal how did I call it? Receive. Wait, no. What is that? I need to read the API. Oh well, let's assume that this is something that I can reuse and use that. Thread 1. Let's start. This is called client.py. Oh, my bad. Okay, they're making it. Oh, that's nice. Class receive. I'm not even sure if I wrote that right. Okay. Whoa. Can I do plus for real? I don't think I can, but let's do it anyway. How do I call this? Oh, that's one of the new music I got. Nice. Did I miss? I stopped reading the chat, my bad. I tried learning C++ coding, picked up a few words and gave up. Oh. Do you code in another language in C++ or did you just try learning C++? Because C++, I mean, if it's your first language, you probably could get an easier one first. Because at the end of the day, it's just syntax, and you want, like, once you learn the syntax, you can then start to learn to code. So you could pick a language with easier syntax, and then start to code, and then transfer later to C++. And it's gonna be pretty easy. I think you're really good at multitasking. Yeah, I tried to do my best. It's not like right now I just slipped up. Just like for your comment at least. It's not ever programmed, but it's in Python. Yeah, this one is in Python. Guys, is your heavy sword making it? Can you share an image of your workstation environment, like full screens or a single screen? I have two screens. It's really good, I think. The funny thing is, before I even got into streaming, I built this computer to stream. Because I'm not really a big gamer. But I built this computer kind of with that in mind. 3 screens, I wish. I guess it is true that I'm using 3 screens though, because I'm using 2 screens and then this like this is a virtual machine. So I guess this acts as a 3rd screen. Okay, so let's try if that works. Are you I can't switch. Oh, receive is not defined. Oh, did I just do that? Does that fix it? Has not reviewed counter. Did I do that? Oh, I didn't even finish my... Why is he using a counter anyway? Yeah, this is stupid. Download more RAM. Oh, it's a self, right? Oops. I'm in Python. One was given. That's true. Nice. It works. Okay. What is that? Oh, I didn't even start my bot, did I? Nice. Live in Onara. I always download RAM in the background, by the way. It's just that I don't show it on stream usually. And some people they just pick the 4 GB, but I always pick the a bit more than that. And usually that one is slow, but because like you see. Whoa. Hello, the CVV guy. SSD, By the way, welcome to everyone that's new to the stream. Let's lower this a bit. I put my music much louder than any other streams usually, because my stream is kind of similar to a background stream where you can almost leave it in the background and do other stuff. Because writing code is not always interesting to watch, but at least there's music, so it helps. Okay. Thread ID is useless. GB of RAM. That's way too much. I'm not sure if you saw that go on Reddit the other day, but a lot of people are just downloading the RAM and they're not leaving any for any other people. You're probably one of those that take the RAM for yourself and you don't even share. Even the name itself is useless. Aim is fine. Aim is fine. Good. What's the right way to end this thread? Exit flag. Nice.
I am a robot.
That works. Okay. Thanks for the follow, by the way, the Elite. The Elite, what the fuck? GR. feel like doing something that's pretty bad. And I forgot how to take input and input I was gonna click, oh, right input. Oh, I can use input. Just like that. Oh, this is great. Oh! So now I can just, nice. This is, I guess, considered a hack, but I'm doing this anyway. It's just way too cool. What all language do I know? I know a lot of languages. I mean, people ask what language do I know. That's not really important, because once you know one language, you usually can just code in any language, as long as it's pretty much the same. Like if I know Java, I already know then C++, I know C#, I know JavaScript, I'll know stuff like Python. What else would you know if you know Java? I mean, all this C-like language, you know, you can code in any of them. You're gonna need to look at the reference sheet. Like if people don't know, let's say you know Java. Like usually when I want to learn a new language, I just look at the EBNF. Let's say EBNF for Java. Can I look at that? Is that? So how do you do an if statement in Java? So now you have this. Okay, so there's an if statement. An if statement is an if followed by white space. Then you can open, follow at anything, I guess. Then you can look at what. Then you can see there's something. There's an expression. What is an expression? And you can find that. Then you can see the little diagrams. Then you know, okay, there's something numeric. Some like. If you can read this, it's really easy to just follow it, and then after look at the practical example. Semantic example. Like an if statement is an if followed by a parenthesis. So the parenthesis is required, while in Python it's not required. Then you have the expression, which this is a Boolean expression, something that is true or false. Then there's a statement. Oh, I'm surprised they call it a statement. And then you can have either nothing or an else, and then more statement. What is a statement in Java? So then you can see a statement is either something and then done. Something done. Something done. Oh, a statement block. That's interesting. What is a statement block? Because statement block. Oh, a block. So you open some little. You call it the braces in English, I think. So you open the braces and then you have many statements. So you can have any amount of those and then you're done. So if you can read this type of things, it makes it really hard to just learn a language right away without looking at tutorials. And usually you have that type of syntax for all the languages. Like if I want to learn Python, I know EBNF because I wrote my own compilers and I needed to learn that. Python EBNF. This is a grammar specification. So once again, you have this. So sometimes this is hard to read for most people. I'm not sure if they have images for that. So anyway, so the input, there we go, the corridors. Let's go a bit lower. Let's go back to the if statement. If statement. An if statement is an if and a test. What is a test? Surely there's some place that define that. So it's an if, a test, and 2 point. What is a test? I already know what that is, but let's just assume I don't. Test. Where did they define that? Oh, there it is. So a test or a test. So this is the same thing. Or test. That's not what I was looking for, but it... Oh, okay, never mind. I'm reading that wrong. Okay. Anyways, I don't want to get too much into this, but I mean, this is all like how the compiler parses. It kind of helps to do that. Automata. Question wasn't dead. I mean, you can look at examples like Python example. Like sometimes you get the hello world programs, simple programs. And then you can see, okay. So if, then you can start to get an intuition. What is hour? Hour is something like a time. This is smaller than another activity. So then you realize like you're just testing 2 times, and then this is the if. So there's no parentheses, and there's a 2 dot. So you can usually learn a syntax really fast with these little examples. I find it faster to learn different programs. And usually, like, if you know what an if is, a loop, what is a for, what is a while, what is a function. So one, like, I mean, I'm getting like so sidetracked and kind of confused on my own ideas, but when you know one language, it's usually really easy to switch to the next one, because they almost have all the same things. Obviously, there's some exceptions like Haskell. Haskell is like my favorite of all time, but this is like so good looking. I think I've said that before on stream, but let's say hello. What was the name again? Fibonacci. And you look at this language and it looks just too good. Like the whole syntax is just too awesome. Like this is like it feels good just to read that. Like all those like pattern matching, this is just too awesome. So this, if you want to learn this, it's gonna be a bit harder than if you were to go from Java to C, but I mean, once you've done it, you just feel good. And this obviously should have EBNF too. Well, I'm not sure where it is, but yeah. PHP syntax, echo 3+++. Paper 7. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah, when you look at those, yeah. There's something weird I saw the other day. What was it? Oh, JavaScript. Okay. Look at that. This is the, like, probably people have heard of brainfuck. Like, let's go. It wasn't brainfuck. Yeah, it was. Okay. And then you look at this. You look at this and you think, whoa, someone can code in that? They're crazy. And then, okay, you think like brainfuck is bad. Then you then you look at something called JavaScript. And look at what you JavaScript. Bracket notation. Or is it called JavaScript brainfuck? JavaScript is after you. Okay, look at that. So in JavaScript you can use this. I actually coded a bit in that the other day, and I think I went crazy a bit more. I mean, I can't even zoom in. It's just breaking my browser. Did the whole virtual machine freeze? What? I think I froze my virtual machine. Oh, it's back. Or not. Oh, it broke Linux. This whole thing. Are we back? I guess it's the last time I go check that. I'm tempted to just restart the whole system. Oh. Thank you. Okay, we're live. The kid. What was the question? My favorite language? I'd say right now is Python. But with the Agar project, I almost coded only in JavaScript for a couple months. I mean, I coded side project that I didn't show on stream, but right now my favorite has to be Python. But I used to only code in Java. Like, I thought Java was the holy grail of programming languages, so there's a bunch. I think there's like 3 years of my life that I just wanted to do Java and nothing else. There's a time I was coding in C++ all the time. There's also a whole 1 year where I coded only in Haskell. So I wrote a lot of crazy stuff in Haskell. But right now it's Python. But I wouldn't suggest Python for your first language if you want to pick something. Because usually people that start with Python have a hard time going to other languages. I started myself with Java, but I'm not sure if it was like for other people, if it's good enough for a first language, or if it's a bit too complicated. It's hard to say, because for me it was pretty easy to learn programming. I started in high school, and I know that the other people that were with me were struggling a bit, and I don't think any of them still code. Maybe a good language would be C sharp. Because usually C sharp does everything that people want to do. And lately I think it's cross-platform. Maybe I would suggest that. And if you're a student, usually you have access to stuff like Visual Studio. I used to be anti-Microsoft, now I don't really care as much. I can't stop it anymore. Oh, I'm running the wrong code, my bad. Nice. Terraria, yeah. Okay, what was I doing here? Okay, right. Let's put myself a little to-do. Receive vision. Hey, why is this still open actually? Oh no! I went too fast. I mean, it doesn't matter, but... That guy's crazy. Okay. Let's create a new variable called yellow team. Why did I put that? Yellow team. This is what? Do I want to do it like this? No, I don't. Okay. How do I name that? Because I'm gonna be putting everything in that object. Or I think it's gonna be a dictionary or an object. Yeah, it's gonna be an object. Okay, this is a world. Let's go. How to do object programming in Python. Oh, that was one of the new soundtracks, nice. Download more RAM. Okay. Oh. Good to know. I'm just assuming, by the way, that I don't know anything. The instantiation operation calling an object. Class, and then you can define. Nice. This takes self, I'm pretty sure. It does. Am I gonna break everything? Oh, it's working! Sick. Okay. I need the ball. Thinking, because essentially the objects are already existing. In a way, what am I doing now? As I'm receiving data from the server, which is inside of a wrapper. What did this stand for again? A wrapper packet. So I'm receiving packets from the server with data. Then I can parse that data and tell, and like print to the screen like the frame number. Oh, I stopped it. So from this I can get like where's the ball, X, Y, and there's also a Z apparently. There's also the robot yellow index 0. This guy is located right there. With this radiant with this orientation. So I'm able to read everything from this simulator. So where everyone are. There's also more data such as what is that? I had a good life. Oh, this is the end of the code, yeah. Anyway, so right now those are in a sort of object that I'm loading from Google, pretty much. From the proto buff. Do I want to keep it in that object, or do I want to create my own object, which is essentially the same? Actually, the real question is, what is this? Is this an integer, or is this a special thing they created? You're the only one? Nope. Okay, this is an int. And I'm kind of wondering. Okay, this is a real int. Nice. So what I just did there, I started the interpreter, I made my variable be equal to 1, and then I checked the type, which is the exact same type. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be creating my own object indeed, in the end. No, this is for something called Robocup. Wait, I can't even type. Robocup. As you can see, I'm gonna be controlling those robots in my virtual world so that they can play soccer. I'm not gonna do that today, but today I'm just starting my code. Essentially, all this code is also gonna get scrapped sometime, because right now I'm acting like I'm the only one doing this project. But it's just because we didn't officially start yet. We're gonna be starting today, actually, in about 8 hours. So in about 8 hours we're gonna have a group meeting thing, and then we're gonna be talking about maybe stuff like this, or maybe even other stuff. So I'm just taking a head start just to at least understand what it is that we're gonna be doing before we actually do it. Maybe my code is gonna be used, but maybe not. DirectX 13? I don't think so. I think this is all OpenGL. Okay, so this is gonna be an array, or list, I think they call it now. Teams. Nice. Yeah, I'm using Linux right now. I mean, the thing is running in Linux. I'm kind of cheating though. That thing and everything. Oh wait, I wrote that. My bad. The way I see it is this: I want to make a 4-legged creature with an unsupervised neural network, 5 input, 5 output. first 4 IO pins in leg joint position, the 5th IO pair being the joint ID. Should be interesting, yeah. Okay, so detection geometry. Okay. You're also in. Nice. Italiano. Sono italiano. Io vorrei la bottiglia di vino rosso, per favore. Get it? Get it? I went to Italy 3 times and I learned that. German. I went to Germany I think 3 times too, but I didn't learn German. My cousin, she is in Germany right now. And she took lessons for the past year before doing that. What am I looking for? Oh, I forgot they always put that. Fail. I used to know a lot more Italian because I could follow conversations. I lost a lot. Right now though I'm learning Japanese. I think I'm gonna be able to speak it by the end of the year. I'm not learning how to write it, I'm just learning how to speak it. And it's actually a lot simpler than you'd think. Okay, I need some... let's go... find a view. Okay, this is gonna be some Java. Nice. Tino Sai. Por favor, por favor. What elo? I think Platinum 2. Oh, I'm like 1 game from promos. Maybe I'll play it sometime. Okay, what am I looking for? Field line segment. Okay, we don't care, we don't care. Really? All that I care about right now is... I'm just making my life so hard. That's all that I care about. Let's just see. Okay. Road to Diamond. Yeah. Hey, when is the season ending? Because I really want my diamond border. So this is what a ball is. Okay. This is what a robot is. Confidence. Is there anything special? No, okay, nothing too weird about this. It's kind of funny how this robot never gets tired of going in circles. I'm so ignored here. Okay, what did I... yeah, sorry. Saudi Arabia. Whoa. Is this game online? It kind of is, it kind of is not. It's actually a competition. So it's not against real players, it's all gonna be against other AIs. Actually, that would be a good idea, to make a server to host games. Oh, that would be so cool. Like usually you compete physically, so the robots are built. But let's say someone were to make a server for hosting SSL. So then you host your AI, because this is open source anyway. Or you could run the AI from your computer using your own clients. That would be cool. Okay, let's just... if I think too much, I'm gonna end up doing it. Okay. That's far. Are you there right now? Why search? Because I wasn't sure, but I think we have a Canadian army over there. And we do. Because my dad is in the military, and I think he had a mission over there before. Why did I click on that? This is done. I saw a comment that was so funny the other day. The guy wrote, okay. Then he went down and he said, sorry for bad English. And then someone responded, it's okay, you're doing fine. I can type. It's like sometimes you see people say sorry for bad English, but they wrote perfectly fine. And then you have like the other guy. Well, like this was obviously a joke. Any secret to share? Yeah, I mean, if you're starting, then you're gonna think that you don't know anything, but actually you do. If you have like, so a lot of people want to do projects that they end up never doing because they think they're not good enough. But it's like that for everyone. No one is good enough ever. Like for example, right now I'm doing this project and I'm jumping in pretty much head first into something that I don't know. So if you think there's a project that you want to work on and you don't know anything about it, start to like do your research and then you can end up doing it. Yeah. You're not terrorist. All the good ideas in capital are like the wrapper pattern in software engineering. Take something people and wrap it. Oh, nice. So then you, so let's reread your question then. The AI game. Oh, I think I wanted to bookmark that website. Oh, that's it. What do they do? Competition Texas Hold'em. Do they have SSL? They don't have SSL. I was speaking specifically for this game where you could do AI battles, but I want to also bookmark that. I'll keep it open for now, but okay, what am I doing? Self-ball, self-team, that's it. Oh, you don't use new, right? Oh, wrong. Too far into it, but I think you uploaded scripts for AI in games. Maybe I did. I don't remember. Other than Nagar, did I do any games? It probably wasn't me, because other games that I published AI would be like card games. And did I publish anything else? I don't think I did. Version of artificial general intelligence. I'm usually not as interested as in into an artificial general intelligence, because I like to solve problems, and general intelligence is a very broad subject. So it's like you're coding an AI that does everything. But like, for example, with the Agar bot, what I'm doing is playing a game, like trying to solve the game. So if I wrote a general AI, it would be like solving life. So I'm not as interested at solving life. I'm more interested in solving like those types of things. And even the AI, like for Agar, is not really an AI, I don't think. Or it's not like true AI, it's more like I tried to think how to solve the game, and then I code something that does what I think will win. This is fucking useless. Okay. World class. WC. I was told to not care too much about the quality of my code. Detection balls. Oh, I have a different indentation, that's cool. So WC dot bottle equals WP dot detection dot balls dot I. Oh wait, no. So I'm assuming here that there is only one ball. Is that how you write that? Okay. I'm so tempted to refractor the print. I think I'll do it. Hey, can I use oh, I wonder if I can do that in Python. Let's try it. Def debug p. This is gonna take see what I did there. Okay, so computer while play all. When my bubble is between two or more bubbles bigger than me, my bubble goes in tilt. There's a way to escape. Yeah, it's not perfect. There's it's probably caused by the wall code. When this happens, you usually end up beside a wall. Like, is there the pink lines? Someone went Greek. I think I can do that now. I think. I can't. I'm not reading the chat much right now. I'm just minding my own code. There's nothing more fun than writing the same thing many times over and over. This is not the right way. You would do the same thing a lot of times usually, but DLLs for the win. Whoa. Did I get them all? No. Okay, let's just look at this. Did I make any mistake? No, good. Well, it's working, but it's not. Is it? Oh, it is working. Okay, you. Okay. You're at 0. Rotate. Can I do this? Yes! I think I might have gotten it. 1. 0.5. Minus 1. 0. 1. Okay. I moved it. It's working! You guys see that? I made... okay, so I have a thread called receive vision. I have a global variable called world class. In world class I have something called ball and teams. In the receive data from the server, I am parsing this, and then somewhere here I am getting my world class .ball, which by the way, in Python you need to use global world class to say that you're editing something like that. Okay, so now I'm taking I, which I is from the loop that is looping through all the balls. When there's only one, it's gonna do it once, but I put it as a loop because the way it's defined, the balls is a repeated field, so there can be more than ones, and a ball is something that has a confidence, an area, X, Y, Z, and the same thing. This is X, this is Y. It's the same as X and Y usually. Anyways, so from my balls, I take one of them, the last one that is, and I'm going to read X and Y. Whoops, X and Y from up here. So I put this I inside of my global variable. This is in a thread called receive vision. The thread is started down here, and then I start it here. So it's looping through this, and it's updating ball. Okay, good. Now I have a second thread, which is called Apos AI. Good. And Apos AI is only a loop. Here I don't put global because it's just reading from the value, I'm not modifying it. And it's writing the X and Y value. So essentially this thread is passing some data to this other thread through a global variable. They told me I don't, like, since I'm only working on this on my own right now, that no one cares about the quality of the code. So let's say this is the perfect code and look past. So this is really cool. What is this? This is a code that's eventually gonna control a soccer team of robots called Robocups, SSL. So this is what that is. By the way, the data is sent through a multicast address and a port. And the data... So when I move the ball, it's actually moving. My code is seeing that the ball is moving. Meat spin. Did someone post a meat spin? Wood? I didn't notice. Okay. So right now there's this little client. It used to be written in C. I translated that into Python code. Oh, where's my... Where did my... Oh, is it right in the corner? This is yellow and I believe index 0. Oh, I missed it. Oh, it's still moving a bit. Wrong side. I'm trying to move the ball again just to show, but it's kind of taking longer than I want to. Since I don't have really good controls yet, this is what I'm using. And since this is really small, okay. Rotate. Raise your dongers. Okay. So I'm not sure if the number is easy to read, but oh, I missed it. Let's turn sharp, sharp. Nice. Okay, now the ball is moving. As you can see, the number is changing. Let's push pushing the robot. Okay, number 3, you need to move. Where's the ball now? Mayday, we have made contact. Where did the ball go? That's 42. Oops. Oh, the ball is right there. I just saw it. Okay, number 3. Number 1. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Wrong side. Faster. Nice. You see, I'm moving that ball. Okay, anyway, I'm just like... I mean, I did say for the goal this game is just to enjoying Robocup. Oh, I missed the ball now. Oh, that guy. Okay. Good thing is... coming from C++ background, when I see language. Yeah. But we have been missing for the past 20 years, speaking of which Sheva is about 20 years old. What? A2C is about 43. Yeah, I mean, if you didn't like Python before, and then you see that, I just converted a lot of people, didn't I? I mean, this thing here ends all the wars on which language is better, right? I mean, this has to be the most awesome thing you can do with threading. Look at that. I mean, I'm accessing a global variable just like that. And I'm sharing variables, like, is this almost the same as 2 threads being together in harmony? And like, I have even like a global variable called play all through, And if I just press enter, like if this input stops, it's setting it to false and everything ends nicely. Like this has to be some... Like I get all that for free. But to be fair, Python is C behind the scenes. It's not really a development environment, but it's just like a notepad, but with a bit of glorified features. So it's a better notepad, but it's only a text editor. It's a bit like Notepad++. But I like it more than Notepad++. Okay, at least now I know that it works. Oh no. Now I need to learn what a radiant is. Radiant. Yes. Is that how you call it? Rad, VS angle. Radian. Right. Oh, I take the French one. Measure used in many areas of mathematics. An angle's measurement in radiant is numerically equal to the length of a constant arc. Radian, yes. So pi is 1. 2 pi is the whole circle. Good. Did someone say? So this is 1 radian. Good. 3 rad. Pi.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Medira Imi 321. Medira Imi. Yeah, I knew that there were 2 pi. I'm just like relearning it just before I use it. But so sometimes I get into a project and I assume that I know everything. Now I'm just doing it as if I know nothing. Okay, so, oh, do I have my paint? I don't. Oh, so the radiant's purpose is only for circles? Or it's only used in circle calculation? Yeah, I'm kind of interested now. Content, history, conversion. Advantages. In calculus, and most other branches of mathematics beyond measured in radians. This is because radians have a mathematical naturalness that leads to a more elegant formulation of a number of important results involving trigonometric functions or simple like nice. Yeah, this is what I have in the Agarbot. It's all angles that I convert back and forth. I mean degrees. Oh, did I say? That's true. I mean degrees. Yeah. I mean, when I see that, this is good enough for me. What am I doing? I'm just like messing around with. Essentially, what I'm going to need, I believe, will be based on the ball and one guy from the simulation. I want to be able to control that guy. I'm gonna ignore everyone. I could move them out of the way. I want that guy to go towards the ball all the time. So essentially what that means is I want him to be always looking at the ball no matter where the ball is. I'm not sure if I'm doing this today, but at least I want to think about it. So I already did that with the agar. I mean, the formula is really simple because I just need the angle from me to the location of the ball and then go towards that angle. That's it. But since I was working in radians, I just wanted to make sure this is like just a bit familiar with the numbers with that. Yeah, eventually I'll want to move towards where the ball will be, but right now I'll use the ball as a way to hey, can I even move the ball from here? I don't think I can. Because I don't think I have a direct way of interacting with the robots if I can't move the ball where I want. Oh! Can that be it? Mass. Let's say I put that to 1. Did that work? Nope. Yeah, it's an automatic soccer with those little bots. I want to find the variable that I can edit directly from here for the ball. I don't think that variable is there. Surely there's a way to move it. Or do I only put that? So this here allows me to move the ball. Maybe that's the best way I'll have to do it. Penalty. Can I? Yeah, I think I'm just dreaming in color. They would make it too easy. You know what would be nice? Being able to move that little thing closer so that I have more screen space. It will never split, ever. Someone is writing a bot that is gonna split, and I'm gonna be stealing that code anyway. So maybe it will split sometime. Could you share the early development videos of Agarbot so that we can get a basic idea of Agarbot development, like which all mode you developed and what was going through your mind? Yeah, you're right. I wish I put everything on YouTube. Right now everything is lost. All the past broadcasts. I can probably talk about how I started the project, how I managed to think about everything, but I don't have any videos saved up. I think I can use append on a list. Append. Yellow. I mean, even this, I should put it dual stream for YouTube so that it gets saved. Even though I don't think it would make good YouTube videos. I mean, just for the sake of history, it could be interesting to save. Oh, this is so great. Just that I can press enter and end the program. What does my name mean? It's kind of a cool story. I used to go to a school, and then the students, we were called the Apostolics. Let's go check. The real meaning of the word, it does come from Greek actually. I should write it in English. Apostolic meaning. Oops. Whoops. Urdu, what is that? They translated that into the free dictionary. It's a bit like a missionary. Like an apostle. So the 12 apostle. Or of or relating to a succession of spiritual authority from the 12 apostles regarding. So essentially, people that went to the school, we were kind of apostles, kind of. It was a Catholic school. Catholics were relating to Bible derived from contemporary with the apostles. Yeah, I mean it's pretty Catholic word. Just not the weird Catholic. Trying to find the English there. Testament. Content. I guess that would be the... Let's see, or not. It's kind of funny now, because with my username, I think if I write apostolic, or maybe not. I thought that was higher up. Okay, on this one I'm higher up. Obviously, if I put agar right beside this, it's gonna... Yeah. Gives me GitHub. 2x2. Oh, I never read that. Yeah, I mean, you get a lot of other things. Was it that? Oh, I was installing my paint earlier. Actually, I shouldn't install that, but oh well. Oh, that's a nice comment. Of us what comments that are useless. I think you can read those. Maybe I turned that off. Oh, list? Okay, but the list itself is truncated. Wow. Wow. It's nice to code and listen to piano music. 3. I never clicked on that link. Huh. Correlation between intelligence and observing instrumental. I didn't know that. Do you guys like this style of music? Because the guy that writes those seems to be doing the most messed up type of music. I lost everything. Okay, I wanted to start this. Okay, so I did that. Now I wanted to when I guess I can say that first. When I started the project, I had another guy with me. So he wrote a bit like the code that got me started. Eventually I replaced everything, but when we started I was with another guy and then we split a bit the code. But when we started we only intended to do the project for 1 day, maybe 2. Then when it went to 3 days, the other guy decided that he didn't have the time for it. And I had the whole summer for free, so I just kept doing the project. Also, I had a day where I was coding and I had 200 viewers. And back then I didn't have a camera and I didn't talk at all, so it was kind of interesting. Obviously that was at the start of Agar, so I think it was a bit more popular on Twitch. Tab X 2,800. That's a lot. Welcome back, Mr. Hamdaz. No, Hamaz. Hamad. Work class dot teams. I want team 0 and the guy at 0. I don't think I can do that. Let's keep it as that. Maybe it will work, but I don't think it will. .x. Dead, I knew it. Out of range. How do we print? Index out of range? Whoa. Have you ever tried to regress the algorithms for starting size in a car? Maybe someone else did. I'll go check. Yeah, I'm not sure if you know this website, but it's really useful. It's another guy, I'm not sure if he still comes on this stream, but he used to come. Random. Formulas, maybe. Oh, from July. Is it still updated, this site? Sixth of August. What about the protocol? September 15th. Okay, this site is still getting maintained. Oops. Who is deaf to? Not sure. I'll be right back. Okay. Manitoba. 4 hours before you send in sweat. I'm a fundamentally good person, I swear. Hey, just with that info, I can find you. Okay, what was I doing right before ride? Okay, that's cool. None of us really do. I didn't start anything right now. I'm just like randomly almost brute forcing my way through this beginning. What am I trying to do? I want to access the robots. I forgot again. I always forget how to do that. Oh, right there. Nice, nice. I forgot about that. That's again the guy that's got the weirdest music.
I thought you knew I speak fluent. There goes another day that I didn't want to ruin. 2020 vision, tab at everything they throw. I don't think you even know what you've been doing. Stop assuming. The illest in the room is 3 letters that'll tell you what the truth is.
Can I use get item? I think I can use get item.
I knock over your grandmother's teeth quarter. Way beyond sergeant, I bring the sudden death slaughter. X-ray vision right through your soul. Been cold ever since negative 33 years old. I spit that King Tut, underground treasure. I spit that sunroof, overhead pleasure. While your head's blowing in the wind, I grin. Cause your girl's blowing me in the wind. You're a laughing stock. My science is even weirder than Kelly LeBrock. It's apocalypse.
Okay, what did I miss there? Does your Appos feeding bot in Agar work? Good.
You better pump up the volume. You die soon, face down in the toilet in the women's bathroom.
Yeah, the bot works. You need something like Google Chrome to really test it well. I don't have it installed. I'll need to end the stream in at most 20 minutes, by the way. Because I have a course that's starting very soon. University. Chrome. Anyway, the idea to make the bot not really, I mean a post feeding bot, you need to get Google Chrome, install the bot, and then create a party. Then open a couple tabs, I mean windows, and then run all of the bot instances in the party. You can only get, I think, 3 bots or maybe 4. If you can acquire different IP addresses, then you can make a lot more like proxies. But the bot works without a proxy if you want. If you can limit yourself to like 4 bots. Yeah, 4 bots.
A robot.
Thanks for the follow, the Infernal Bite. What was I doing? Okay. WC dot. Whoa. Dot teams. Haskell for life, yeah. Whoa. The wind cut my door. Is that a nest? Need item. I think I can use this. Okay. Peace, Mr. Hamad. 3 points. Okay, let's try this. But I'm not sure if that's what I want. I'm just like, instead of looking at the API, I'm just, whoa, it works. Okay. Is there nothing that looks better than that? Message descriptor, listener values. Can't I? Oops. Why can't I do that? The door's back open. Oh, I can. Okay, I thought I couldn't. I guess that was all in my... Okay, well, this is great. That dot X. Y. That works, right? Oh, it's cool. Okay, I'm able to get that good. Robot 0 of 6. Okay, it's working. Good. The bot works in all the browsers, but if you want to use the Appos feeding bot, that one seems to work better in Chrome. It looks like the server allows Chrome to make more connections. It might be due to the fact that Chrome's tabs or windows are all in a sandbox. Maybe that's the reason. Oops. Zero of 6. Nice. Maybe I should put something to hold the door. I'll be right back. Okay. Why is the code so hard? The print is so hard to read. Okay. Okay, so what I need to do, so given, can I even zoom in here? Is it possible to zoom in a terminal? What terminal is this? Kind of sucks to show the terminal, but the text is so small. I mean, it's sort of readable, but not really. You need files for that. But it works. I don't think I want to do that. That's true, yeah, I can change the font size. That's what I was gonna do actually. Maybe 14 would be fine. It's not too bad, is it? I think that's a lot better. Okay, good. Thanks for reminding me. Okay. Much easier to see what I'm doing now. That's pretty well said. I've been watching this for hours and have no idea what the fuck's going on. Okay. I need to end this in at most 15 minutes. By the way, thanks for watching, everyone that's here. Like, I mean, what I did was mostly set up my environment and then start messing around with variables and threadings. That's pretty much it. Ouais, c'est ça. C'est en fait la raison. I'll be right back. Yeah, my time waste is kind of productive. I mean, it's kind of a bit like people solving Sudokus. This is my way of doing my Sudokus. What language? This is Python. By the way, I live in a sort of chamber, a dorm house pretty much. So this is here my room, but there's also 8 other people that live in the same house. So our house is huge. We're all like friends that decided to live in one house, and it's just beside the university. So there's one guy that bought the house, and then we kind of rent the house, kind of. I mean, that's the idea. But I mean, we're all friends from the start, so it's kind of really cool experience. It also means we're not in need of anything. Like we have all the plates that we kind of contribute together. The soap, like there's just so many things, and it makes it less boring, I guess. So you pretty much always have someone to talk to. But like right now, since I'm streaming, the other guys are like, why are you talking to yourself? And show your room. My room is like messy, but I guess I can. I did it before. I could make it bigger, but like this room is huge. So there's me, there's like that, there's my computer there. And I'm not sure if you can see that well, but there's a huge hallway. And that over there is the front door. It's kind of so small. It's not like the best. Have my room there, the things. I want to zoom in, but I don't want to go into the big. And as you can see, like this is huge. I'm trying to replace it. And it's like, if I want to walk to my university courses, it only takes at most it's not good for watching porn. Very old.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Awesomeness22. About what is... Did I replace my camera correctly? Okay, good. I like to make a frame for the stream at least. Accumulates more RAM over time. Does it grow data for... So not everyone that lives here are in university, but a couple of us are. Which university? It's called Laval. It's almost one of the oldest from North America. It's a really good university. This music, it's just so weird to listen to this. It's like good, but what is this? Now let's go on the Wikipedia page at least. Laval University is the oldest center of education in Canada, second oldest in North America, so it's a huge thing. And was the first institution in North America to offer higher education in French. Its main campus is located, so this is where I live, pretty much. Like I cross the road and the university is right there. University is ranked among the top 10 Canadian university in terms of research funding. Couple of famous people that... Oh, this article is small. So 103. I think the budget every year they have is 700 million. Yeah, 700 millions in Canadian. That's a lot of money. I'm trying to look for something. Okay, this is the campus. Lagging. So I live somewhere around here. I cross the road. Around here, I guess. I cross the road and then I walk to my courses. My courses are in number 20. Yeah. So you have a lot of trees, a lot of... Oh, what? I don't know, we had a golf terrain. So the whole thing is probably about a kilometer wide. So it takes me 30 minutes to walk around all that. Is my internet that bad? Am I dropping frames? What? 2000 frames. Shit. Yeah, my internet is not that good. What is...
I hear he's not. Do you want to go on with me? Just say it. No? Then you make a move. I don't believe a word of this shit.
If this is not weird, this is... I don't know what that is. If it... This music. You gave up? Sorry, I wasn't reading chat all the time. Okay, I'm gonna pause that. Huh. That's pretty good. Then this can loop, I think. Huh. Yeah, sorry, I don't read chat that often. When I sort of get when I get when I start thinking about something too much.
Wanna go on with me to say it? No? Then you make a move. Word of the ship.
Whoa. Okay. I made a YouTube myself and I recorded a couple songs. Is there any way I can contact you? I have some idea. You can contact me through Twitch. I read my messages. Like even today, I think I got one. Whoa, this music is just... I mean, there's something about this music that makes you feel kind of weird. Like the different sound that they use. It feels like one of those vinyl almost. What was I gonna do? That was the same author. Like this is pretty good. 52. That was from 2 years ago, 3 years almost. Whoa, no. Restart. Does it tickle? Yeah, my internet is a bit better than yours. The download speed, your download speed is faster, but my upload speed is 15 times that. Whoa. It's a bit similar to like the one you uploaded. Oh wow. Oh, it changed the resolution. Anyway, I'll have to end it there. I need to end the stream now because I'm gonna be late to my courses if I don't do something now. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good day. I know this is like ending it quick, but I didn't even see the time go. Peace.